May we know if the Vice President is inside the premises of this room today? The respondent is not present today, Madam Chair.
We are placing on the record that in spite of the notice served, we called the respondent and she continues to be not present in our hearing room. The intention is to give her the continuing opportunity to present her evidence, including those which will counter the evidence presented by the National Bureau of Investigation. Since we have no other clarificatory questions for NBI, perhaps I must solicit the necessary
Madam
motions
Chair.
so they can be excused in our
Madam Chair.
proceeding today.
Madam Chair, I move that we excuse the NBI director together with the two experts.
There's a motion to excuse the NBI director with including the two other resource persons. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. NBI Director Melvin Bantibag, Ms. Caroline Pitoy, and Mr. Antonio Magbojos from the NBI are all excused. Thank you for attending in our today's hearing. We now proceed to our next witness. Next resource person. I stand corrected again. May we know the justice members who wish to raise clarificatory questions to PSA?
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Jude Asidre.
Madam Chair, with your indulgence, nais ko pong magtanong sa kinatawan ng Philippine Statistics Authority. Una, Deputy National Statistician Maris Grande, para manilaw lang ho sa record ng committee ito, kinukumpirma niyo po ba na kayo ay otorisadong kinatawan ng Philippine Statistics Authority at may sapat na kaalaman sa mga certification na ipinadala ng PSA sa committee ito?
Yes, Madam Chair. I represent Dr. Dennis S. Mapa. I am Marisa Grande, the Assistant National Statistician of the Civil Registration Service, and I am in charge in the verification of civil registry documents and the processing and archiving, as well as generation of vital statistics.
Ma'am Maris, hiniling po ng committee ito na dalhin at isumiti ninyo ang mga kopya ng certification na may petsang December 8, 2024 at December 11, 2024. Nais ko pong malaman kung dala po ninyo ang mga dokumentong ito at naisumiti niyo na po ba ito sa committee?
Yes, po, Your Honor, na dala namin itong mga certification na ito, December 8 and December 11, at nasubmit na po ito sa committee secretariat.
Madam Chair, para lang humalinaw, ang dalawang certification pong ito ay opisyal na dokumento ng Philippine Statistics Authority.
Tama po, sir.
At ang mga certification na ito ay nagsasaad na pagkatapos ng paghahanap ng records ng PSA, marami sa mga pangalang isinumite ng kapulungang ito ay walang matagpuan ang any record ng kapanganakan, kasal at kamatayan. Tama po ba?
Tama po, sir. Nakareceive po kami ng list of individuals for verification po sa PSA at narito po sa certification na ito ang laman ng resulta base sa information na pinrovide ng committee.
Madam Chair, dun po sa unang certification na may petsang December 8, 2024, tama po ba na sa kabuang 677 na pangalan na isinumite, 405 ang walang record ng kapanganakan o certificate of live birth, 507 ang walang record ng kamatayan o certificate of death, at 443 ang walang record ng kasal o certificate of marriage, at sa kabuuan 398 unique persons ang walang matagpo ang record ng kapanganakan, kasal at kamatayan ayon sa records ng PSA. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Madam Chair, at kinukonfirma po namin base po sa certification dated December 8 po.
Madam Chair, doon po sa pangalawang certification na may petsang December 11, 2024, tama po ba na sa kabuang 1,922 na pangalan na isinumite, 1,322 ang walang record ng kapanganakan o certificate of live birth, 1,593 ang walang record ng kamatayan o certificate of death, 1,456 ang walang record ng kasal o certificate of marriage, at sa kabuang 1,287 unique persons ang walang matagpuang record ng kapanganakan, kasal o kamatayan ayon sa records ng PSA.
Tama po, Your Honor. Base sa December 11 na inisyu ng PSA, ay yung mga datos po na yan ang resulta ng aming verification sa birth, marriage, and death po.
Madam Chair, Ma'am Maris, no, sa harap ng committee ito, pinapatunayan niyo po ba under oath na ang mga certification na ito ay tama, sapat at batay sa official na records ng Philippine Statistics Authority?
Yes po, Your Honor. Based po ito sa listahan ng mga pangalan na sinumite ng committee.
Ulitin ko po for the record, Madam Chair, tama po ba na ayon sa Sabaya complaint sa paragraph 67, walang anumang record ng kapanganakan, kasal at kamatayan sa PSA para sa mga pangalang Mary Grace Piatos, Milky Sequoia, Kokoy Villamin at Irene Tan, bukod pa sa iba pang mga pangalang nakasal sa nasabing reklamo? Tama po ba?
Doon po sa binanggit niyong pangalan, Your Honor, yung Irene Tan, lahat po yun ay walang record ng birth, marriage, or death, except po doon sa isa, yung kay Irene Tan, which is a common name po ito, at based po sa verification namin, may match na records ng 144 na Colby, 89 na certificate of marriage, 16 na certificate of death. So yung Irene Tan po kasi ay common and wala pong ibang basehan na sa verification. Kaya may matches po tayo na nakuha. Pero yung mga binanggit niyo pong pangalan po ay lahat po yun ay negative record ang kanilang
So
birth.
negative record po for Mary Grace Piatos, Milky Sequoia at Kokoy Villamin. Tama po ba?
Tama po, sir.
At tama po ba na itong mga detalye ito, lalo na tungkol dun sa mga pangalang aking sinabi, ay nakapaloob sa mga certification na dinala at sinabit po ninyo sa committee ito?
We confirm po, Your Honor, at makikita po ito both sa certification ng dated December 8 and December 11 po.
That is all, Madam Chair.
Can we flash again the certification for the satisfaction of the justice members? Kindly flash the certification. How many pages is this? Ms. Mapa?
Napakarami po, sir. Yun pong 677 na information po ay 677. Ito po ay 134 pages. Yun pong, sorry po. Dahil makapal po ito, Your Honor. So yung isa po sa 1,992 na individuals dated December 11, meron po tayong 389 pages po.
That 389 pages pertain to the result of your verification.
Dalawa po ito, Madam Chair. As I've mentioned, yung 677, isang batch po dated December 8. At meron po tayong 134 na pages. And the other one, yung 1,992, meron po tayong 389 pages po.
Okay. Again, the committee secretariat is directed to provide copy of the report of the PSA to the justice members, including the ex officio, and also the respondent vice president.